Hello everyone, Mike Lovelace with Carolina Blue Smoke Barbecue and Outdoor Cooking, and today we're going to show you one of our recipes that we did with Lovey's Fat Life. But this one, we changed it up a little bit because we couldn't buy the cereal boxes of Chex mix, so we had to buy some bags. Hey, it's easier, and we changed up the recipe a little bit, nice and spicy. You can take that spice out if you don't like things hot. But hang out with us. This will be a quick video on how to make some smoked Chex mix on your pellet grill. Or you can actually do this in your oven as well. You don't have to have a smoker, but hey, I like that tad of smoke on it, and that's why we're called Carolina Blue Smoke. Hang out with us. Please like and subscribe. Let's check this out. All right, this is what we're going to use today. We got some cheddar Chex mix, some bold Chex mix, bugles, Cheez-Its, cashews, pecans. Then we're going to get some a stick of salted butter, your favorite hot sauce. Ours is Texas Pete. Worcestershire sauce, ever how you say it, garlic powder, onion powdered, hot barbecue rub, and season all. All right, let's go ahead and mix this up. You're gonna melt a stick of butter, then you're gonna put 1 tablespoon of season all in it, 1 tablespoon of onion powder. We're also gonna grab a tablespoon of garlic powder as well. Now we're going to try this Killer Hogs hot barbecue rub, whatever barbecue rub you want to use. I've even used Smack Your Mama before. I put down 2 tablespoons of this, but I probably only went with 1.5 because I was a little bit worried about how hot this would be, but it wasn't hot at all. You go with 2 with it. And then we want 3 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, W sauce, ever how you say it. I don't know. I'm from the South. I can't speak. And then we got 3 tablespoons of hot sauce. Ours is Texas Pete here because we're near Winston-Salem, North Carolina, and that's where it was founded at. I think Louisiana hot sauce, Frank's hot sauce, any of those would work. You want to put all this in here together, then take your whisk and mix it up really well. Get any of those clumps out, and we're getting ready to pour it over the Chex mix. All right, let's throw our mix in here. So we got, our first one is, it says 8 servings, so that's 4 cups of this cheddar Chex mix. It's already mixed together. It's got pretzels and the Chex mix in it, and some little bitty small Cheez-Its. Then we got our bold party mix Chex mix. Again, it's 8 servings, which is equal to 4 cups. Half a cup is a serving. Then we got bugles. This is a game changer right here. We're gonna put 2 cups of bugles in this. Man, our whole family loves bugles anyway, but it really sets this Chex mix off. And it also it holds that smoke good. So now we're going to use 1 cup of hot and spicy Cheez-Its. And then we're going to grab also white cheddar Cheez-Its. We're going to put a cup of that in this as well. Now we're going to go with pecans. If you got whole pecans, or you got bits and pieces. We had some leftover from something we did at Thanksgiving, so I put a cup of that. And then I like cashews ourselves. You can get mixed nuts, whatever kind you want to put in here, but we put cashews in this one. But you, again, can buy a container of just mixed nuts and put it in there. Then we're going to turn around and just mix this up really well. And then we're going to pour this solution that we mixed up earlier on top of this. All right, now we're just pouring this solution that we mixed up earlier on top of this. You want to use every bit of it, and you want to make sure you kind of even it out. You don't want it all in one spot because it'll make it soggy. So just spread this thinly across the top. Then we're going to get our hands in here and mix this up really well. And I'm going to divide this actually into another half pan as well, so that it'll take on more smoke in the smoker. The entire time we've been mixing this up, our recteq RT700 was set on 225, and we're going to put these on and let it smoke for an hour. After about 30 minutes, I bring a wooden spoon out here and kind of mix it up a little bit so that it can dry it out and also add a little bit more smoke to the mixture that was on the bottom. So again, you can every 15 to 30 minutes come out and mix it up a little bit. All right, it's been 1 hour. We take it off the smoker, we bring it back in. You put some paper towels out here, and what we want to do is just pour this entire mixture from both pans, spread it out over these paper towels so that we can get a little bit of that moisture out of it. You don't want any moisture in here. You don't want that humidity to build up and it'll make it soggy. So you want to spread it out as thin as you can, and then let it sit for about anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour until it cools off, and then you can come back and try it out and also bag it up. All right, let's get us a little handful here. Gotta make sure we get a bugle in here. All right, let's try this out. All right, Mike in here with Carolina Blue Smoke Barbecue and Outdoor Cooking. Just showed you the handful I'm gonna grab. These have been cooling for about 45 minutes to an hour. We wanna get that humidity and moisture out of them before we put them in some bags. You can put it in a container, whatever you wanna do. We always put it in 1 gallon bags and then kind of eat on it during the holiday. But I'm gonna get a big old mouthful here and let's try it. Man, that does not disappoint. You got your typical Chex mix type taste to it. W sauce, Worcestershire, ever how you want to pronounce it. A little bit of heat from that seasoning and Texas Pete. That smokiness has adhered to that Chex mix and the bugles, and man, it's just got a tad of heat on the back end of this. So if you want to increase the heat on this, add another tablespoon of your hot sauce, or you can add more hot seasoning. You can kind of play with this as you want, but that little smoke added to it just makes this Chex mix over the top, in my opinion. So try this one out. This was kind of cheating, grabbing a couple of bags of pre-made Chex mix. And the reason we did that is the store was just about out of all Chex mix. People make it all the time. You can substitute the cups I have in here for what you like yourself, but try this one out. Trust me, that's really good, and we're gonna be eating on it all weekend long. Have a good one. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, but you can eat this all year round. Bye. All right, like I said, we've included the ingredients needed for this. You got 4 cups of cheddar Chex mix, 4 cups of bold Chex mix, 2 cups of bugles, 1 cup of hot and spicy Cheez-Its, 1 cup of white cheddar Cheez-Its, 1 cup of cashews or whatever your favorite nuts are, 1 cup of pecans, 1 stick of butter, 3 tablespoons of Texas Pete or your favorite hot sauce, 3 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons of Killer Hogs hot rub, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, and 1 tablespoon of seasoned all. Thank you guys. Please like and subscribe.